fresher from the first session, I got a feeling it's like, okay, it's an institute, and we're gonna learn about wedding planning. Okay, what they teach, but how they will teach. Okay. After completing my first session, I have a feeling, it's a family, and everyone like Sabath sir and Shushma ma'am, Neha ma'am, they are coming on Saturday and teaching us how to be a good wedding planner and how to be a good event manager. This is a very big thing they are doing for us, for our industry, for a fraternity. But I think from the very first day, this is the 6th month. Now we are done with our all the sessions, of course, all the weekends. So I am very happy and I feel very lucky. I want to share this thing. I belong from Chandigarh. It's the 5% of the Mumbai population. And where there are lots of people who want to be a wedding planner, want to be an event manager, and they even don't get to know what is wedding planning, what is event management. Now I see the people, now I see Wishcraft mind coming up with this amazing idea with the Global Wedding Academy. From the last year, I am coordinating with Aishwarya. I want to come, and making my parents agree. I want to go to Bombay, for this. And last 6 months back, I got the permission from my family. I came here, and I'm very sure that this is something I really want to do. If I want to be a wedding planner, this is, I think, my base for my future, for my life. So, just a very casual thing. I want to share one thing, the experience I got from the IFA, one of the biggest. So, me and Harsh are working in Wishcraft office with Sabath sir. It's, I think, 1 o'clock at night. So lots of people are coming to Sabath sir office like, we need this, and this, blah, 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 and everything. And me and Harsh are saying Sabath sir like, okay, everyone, it's 1 o'clock. And Sabath sir says, okay, just give me 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and he do something on his phone, in laptop, and he do some calls at 1 o'clock. And after 15-20 minutes, everything gets sorted. And I was like, what is this? Then I get to know the mantra. This thing is getting repeating for first day, second day, third day. Even Andre sir is coming. And Virat sir is coming. And I was like, okay. Then the final mantra I got from Sabath sir. I steal that mantra. That is, be calm. Simple, funda, be calm. Just have a smile on the face. Everyone. You can see right now also. That smile, constant thing I ever seen in these 6 months. So thank you so much sir for guiding us and giving us this mantra. We will surely use that. And same happened with the Aarti ma'am. Thank you so much Aarti ma'am that I got chance. Even I सब कुछ लिख के लेके आया था, मैं खुद ही भूल गया. I got this chance to work with Aarti ma'am through Veera. Thank you Veera. I got this opportunity to turn in this Momentum events and Momentum group. So from the very first day I was like, okay, it will be an internship. I have to do some PPT, Excel, banana, this. And my first month goes like that. On a very serious note, just thoda sa Excel, thoda sa PPT, Then after that, it started binding up. I was there for 2 months only. I was like, I will do for 2 months and I will do something else. I done my internship for 4 months, and 1 month I have to take leave for my real sister wedding. And still I was like, I want to be the part of Momentum team. Because I feel, I don't know what is this in Mumbai. It's everywhere I go, I feel like family. Even I miss my family or I feel like family. Even with the Aarti ma'am, with this whole institute, I feel like I'm in my family and they all are chilling around. Even we got the trip from Goa by the ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. I want to mention. So, at last, on a very serious note, I want to just thank, I learned so much. It's not just about wedding planning, not just about event management. I learned about how to be a human being. And now I am ready, like I will kill, of course, for sure I will. We have Sabath sir, we have Aarti ma'am, we have Shushma ma'am, we will kill, of course. We will collaborate, we will do some IPs, we will do some big weddings, we will kill. And so thank you so much everyone for your lovely guidance, your mentorship, your lessons, and stay connected and do follow us on Instagram.